I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in Mailchimp to grow your email audience. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable form ready to capture new subscribers and start building your list with confidence. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Audience. This is your home base for managing contacts. Next, click Contacts to open your audience contact list. You'll see an overview of your current subscribers, and just below, a helpful section titled, Let's Grow Your Contacts List. That's where Mailchimp guides you toward adding new people the right way. Click Create a Sign-up Form. Mailchimp will ask you to select a form type, and you'll see 3 options. The embedded form is perfect if you want the form to live directly on your website. You'll place a small code snippet on a page or in your site's footer. The sign-up landing page is a standalone page hosted by Mailchimp, great for quick campaigns, or if you don't have a website yet. The pop-up form appears over your site's content to catch a visitor's attention and is useful for time-limited promotions or welcoming new visitors. Choose the option that matches how you plan to collect sign-ups, then click the Create button for that form type. You'll be taken to the builder where you can customize the fields. At a minimum, keep email address. You can also add first name and last name to personalize future emails. A quick tip: the fewer fields you ask for, the higher your conversion rate usually is. If you do include names, consider marking them as optional to reduce friction. From here, adjust the design or settings to match your brand. Update colors, fonts, and button styles, so the form feels consistent with your emails and website. Look for options like success messages and confirmation text to make sure subscribers know what happens next after they sign up. When you're happy with the setup, click Save or Publish to finish. Mailchimp will then provide either a shareable link or an embed code, depending on the form type you chose. Copy the link to share it in emails, social posts, or your bio. If you selected an embedded or pop-up form, copy the code and paste it into your site where you want it to appear, usually in a page body, sidebar, or site-wide footer. That's it. You've created a Mailchimp sign-up form, and you're ready to start growing your audience.